Hello, I'm pleased to introduce myself. I'm a media consultant and app and web developer working here at TwoFour54. Let me start by giving you a little background of my education. I have a Master of Business Administration degree and also certificates in Microsoft Certified Professional, Microsoft Certified Application Developer, Microsoft Certified Software Developer, and Project Management Professional. I feel my unique skills and learning involves not just business and not just technology, but also in-depth knowledge about media and, of course, years and years of application development. In terms of experience, I worked for one of the largest media companies in the world, and I provided them with documenting their technology stack and payment systems and developing cross-property transactions. Another customer of mine is the second largest advertisement group in the world, and my responsibilities included upgrading their entire technology stack, and they were pretty happy with it. In terms of my services that I offer here in this zone, media consulting, that includes branding, strategy, and training. And for third party, I can include analytics. And also, apart from that, I can offer web and application development. I can myself do the end-to-end design, development, deployment, and use third-party services such as cloud infrastructure, code repos, or like GitHub, or publishing in the application stores like App Store and Google Store. The typical roadmap for an engagement looks like this. We start with analysis. That's something we do together. And then I work on development, and together we can do some testing. And then I publish, or you publish your application to the store, and then I support it for as long as you want. The difference between me and competition is more driven by immediate gains and profit, and I am more interested in your happiness and long-term relationship. So the next step I recommend is that you send me an email. I am offering a unique service starting next week, and that is to do same-day project development, project completion. Now, that does not necessarily mean that we can finish the project in one day. But what it means is we can build a proof of concept. And it's better to fail early and fail small than fail big and fail in one large big mistake. So that's why give me a call, and for a very small budget, we can set up a proof of concept, or maybe even a complete application. Depends. You may be surprised how fast one can deliver services sometimes, depending on the nature of the application. Anyway, so give me a call, and here's how you can call me. You can get in touch with my LinkedIn profile, or through Twitter, email, or by calling me. So thank you very much.